Hey everyone, I was gifted this 2-pack of the HEPA air filters by Morento for my Dyson Air Purifier. It's recommended to replace your air filters every 6 to 12 months depending on use, so I'm way overdue. I have the Dyson model TP01. Let's figure out how to replace this air filter. All right, so first you want to unplug the Dyson. All right, so you'll see these round buttons on both sides of the Dyson. You want to just press them in, then you can release the fan from the purifier. And then you can pull open the cage that contains the air filter and it comes right out. Look how much dirt this thing has collected over the years. It's definitely time to replace it. So now I'm going to put this new filter inside the cage and place this cage back to where it was. I'm going to place the fan back on top of the cage until it snaps in. There we go. And now we're ready to start using it again. Oh yeah, that air is nice. What's great about these filters is that it's able to filter 3 types of things. 1, large particles such as lint or pet hair. 2, fine particles and allergens such as pollen or dust. And 3, it also has a filter for odors such as smoke or pet odors. So if you're looking for a high quality and more affordable option for your Dyson air purifier, I highly recommend these air filters by Morento.